Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss class 11th mathematics chapter number 1 sets. In this video we are going to learn what is a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram can be used to represent sets group of data. It consists of a rectangle with a number of circles inside it. These circles are usually overlapping. The rectangle represents the set that includes everything inside all of the circles. It is called the universal set. Each circle is used for one set out of the universal set. The elements of that set go into that circle. Where two circles overlap, the overlap area will contain any elements that are in both set. You see in figure set A and set B, the width where the circles overlap contains that element which appear in both of the sets. For example, if I can ask Venn diagram for the sets given in your screen. Here, one universal set, positive whole numbers less than 10, and A is equal means set A is equal prime numbers and set B is equal even number. If suppose we take positive whole number less than 10, that means universal set is equal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and prime number according to this universal set 2, 3, 5, 7 less than 10 and even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8. If we want to represent this set in the Venn diagram, you see in screen set A and set B, 2 is in both set A and set B. When entering elements, it's easiest to begin with the elements in the overlap. By looking at the element of set A and B, you can see that 2 is the only element which is common to both. You see, if we want to represent set A, in set A, 2, 3, 5, 7 in set A member and set B member 2, 4, 6, 8 and 2 is common. So you see in figure set A and set B, we represent element 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Only 1 and 9 remain. These must be placed outside of the circles within the rectangle as they aren't part of set A or set B but are part of the universal set. You see in figure, we represent set A and set B in circle form and 2 is common, that is why we overlapping both circles, and 1 and 9 we represent in a rectangle. We will consider second example. If I want to represent days of the week, days of the week are universal set and set A is equal days begin with the letters S. S that means Saturday, Sunday, okay, and B days with a letter T. T that means Tuesday, Thursday. And B is equal days with a letter T in the name, Tuesday, Thursday. Here we take Saturday also. You see, we want days with a letter T in the name. If you see Saturday S-A-T, T is there, that is why we consider T here. Other numbers didn't contain T. You see, Saturday is the only element that both start with S and contains a T. It goes in the overlap. because Saturday is common in set A and set B. You see, we want to represent set A. In set A, only two elements, Sunday and Saturday. And you see, here set B, Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday is there. So set B represents Saturday, Tuesday and Thursday. Finally, consider the universal set. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday have already been placed in the circular form set A and set B. Only Monday, Wednesday and Friday remain. You see, these must be placed outside of the circles within the rectangle because it is not member of set A and set B. So we represent the set Venn diagram, complete Venn diagram in set A and set B. You see in circle set A Saturday, Sunday and set B Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, and remaining days like Monday, Wednesday and Friday we represent in the rectangular sheet, inside rectangular but outside the circle. Unions and intersection. Union symbol can be read as or that means we include section set A and set B element, and intersection symbol can be read as and. Can be read and means only common element we consider set A and set B common element. Means the intersection of two sets are those elements that belong to both sets, and the union of two sets are all the elements from both sets. For example, if we consider one union set A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J and set A is equal A, B, C, D, F and B is equal D, F, E, G, then A union B, elements which are in A or in B or in both, is equal A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So it is our union set. And intersection that means element which are common to both A and B. That means you see D and F is the member of set A as well and set B also. So here we consider A intersection B is equal D and F. And A dash that means complementary set of A. We consider only element of union set which are not in set A. It is called complementary set. Okay, element complementary set of A. You see A is equal, our question says A is equal A, B, C, D, F, except this element we consider or we take all sets elements. For example, E, G, H, I, J. You see E, G, H, I, J is a not member of set A, that is why we consider here complementary set A dash. B minus A that means element which are in B but not in A. We represent the Venn diagram like that. You see set A is equal A, B, C, D, F and set B is equal E, G, D, F in a separate circle, and DF is common, that is why we overlapping both set and we write here D and F, and HIJ is the member of universal set but not in a member of set A and set B, that is why we write HIJ in a rectangular sheet out of circle. Thank you students. I hope you have must understood. Please read your book. Try to draw a Venn diagram. Thank you.